Refer to the exhibit. Which prefix does router 1 use for traffic to host A? Answer: 10.10.13.208.29. Explanation: host A address fall within the address range. However, if more than one route to the same subnet exists, router will use the longest stick match, which match more specific route to the subnet. If there are route 10.10.19226 and 10.10.13.208/29, the router will forward the packet to 29 rather than 28. Ready to ace your CCNA? Let's boost your brain with quick flashcards. Study smart. Save it, practice. See you soon for more flashcards, networking, labs, and CCNA tips.